The secret to your success lies in your daily routine. Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Beautiful sunny morning back in Perth. I was away last week in Victoria and Melbourne, and my two sons were playing in the national floorball championships for their respective age groups, and both of them came away. West Australia won both divisions, so it was a great week. We didn't have great internet where we were staying at, but generally it was a fantastic week, and I sort of used that time to tweak my playbook, go over a lot of the setups and review notes that I'd been taking, and formulate some other information to put together some stuff that we'll hopefully share over the next couple weeks in coming videos. But one of the key factors that I think retail traders are challenged with, especially if you're trading from home or you're trying to trade full-time, is having the discipline and the routine to be regimented, in the sense that, we talk about this in the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, that if you haven't done so, go to my homepage, download that. It's really critical to train yourself to get in the habits of the things that are going to bulletproof you for success over the long term with your trading. Now, it's one thing having a methodology, but it's also another thing being able to implement that. And also, anybody can trade the markets when they're easy, when they're trending, and they're jumping in on these trending markets. But it's when we get into choppy markets or into different types of market situations where we're going to be challenged. Not only perhaps because we take losses, we may be challenged to be patient. We may be challenged to take less than ideal trade setups. We may be challenged to take on more leverage, or emotional mistakes where we try to get back at the market. All these little things that happen when you just drop yourself off the game plan just a little bit, and those little mistakes, those subtle cracks in the door of letting in some bad habits, can turn into a big mistake and more bad habits. So it's really critical. I talked about, every morning, even when I'm away, I do the same thing. Every day is the same for me. I'm up early. I'm reviewing my vision statement. I'm reviewing my playbook. I journal the trades if I've had trades from the previous day. I journal the best trade setups that happened on the day, even if I haven't taken them, and I put them in my playbook if they're playbook trade setups. And often just reviewing the trades and adding them to your playbook with notes, just a short little note each day. Again, it reinforces to you. One of the best things I love doing is going through those, because it reinforces, again, about simplicity, about duplication, about sticking to your trading plan. There's plenty of trades. There are lots of trades. The challenge is sometimes what we're doing to interfere with us seeing the trade setups in terms of our preparation, our mindset. Again, just being patient, looking for some very simple strategies. Most of my trading is based off of opening range type trading, Asia close, first few hours of the day, the first few hours of London, the first couple of days of the week. Everything's the same for me. The first couple of days of the month, I look at the same types of setups. So that daily routine, though, I think is really powerful when you break that down and you start to chunk away at little things. And, I talk about exercise. I just got back from the park. I had a workout this morning, took the dogs out. Again, it recharges your mindset. It clears away any negative clutter from the day before. Everything that's happened already is done and gone. You can't change any of that. You could have blown up your trading account yesterday, but it's over now. You can't change that. All you can do is move forward. What are you going to do better today? What is it that I can do better today to maybe catch the best trade setup out of the different pairs I follow? What is it that I can do today that's going to hopefully allow me to extract the maximum amount out of my winning trade, or perhaps to lose the least amount on a losing trade? What's going to ensure that if I take that loss, Have I taken the smallest loss so I can be back in the saddle to hit the next trade when it shows up? Do I have a simple duplicatable strategy that's going to give me, you know, that asymmetrical risk reward? It's going to give me, you know, a 1 hour stop and a 3, 4, 5 hour profit. So I can take the losses, and I understand that that loss is part of my trade. I keep my losses the same as I scale up my risk. There's still a percentage base of risk. And then do I journal my trades? What did I learn from a losing trade? If I've made a mistake, what did I do wrong? Was it just a poor trade setup? Was it part of my best trade setups in the playbook? Did I take a trade outside of my plan? Did I take on too much leverage? All the little things that just, again, what professionals do. And if you're doing the little things, if you're mastering the basics day in and day out and moving in a direction of constant progress, you're going to keep getting better. But I got to emphasize the power of the daily routine. You know, vision statement, working on the trader that you want to become, starting that today. Be that trader today. You know, working on bulletproofing your mindset, regardless of the material you're listening to, reinforcing that the success is achievable in trading the markets. Listen to other great traders. Study them. Listen to other people who have faced, you know, great odds and being able to achieve success. Study the markets. Study the charts. Bulletproof yourself for success. Journal your trades. Build your playbook. Set goals every week, every month, every 90 days. Focus on constant progress. And don't let your guard down. Keep getting better. And may the markets go with you. Have a great trading week, traders.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.